Hello everybody, it's the 20th of May 2015. Welcome to Essex, United Kingdom. Now you may hear that I have a bit of a cold, so sorry if I'm not that clear. Now I'm outside in my polytunnel and you can hear it's raining rather hard. So I'm just going to show you, or give you rather, a brief update as to what's going on. So here goes. So down here a raised bed has been built. And the frame of the raised bed has been built out of wood, which you can see there. And in that raised bed, we have the usual mix of compost, coffee ground, grow more. So hopefully these, and also at the bottom you can see some cardboard there. Initially to help keep the cardboard in at the bottom, but also this will act as part of the growing medium eventually when the worms work it into the soil. So this is good. My sweet corn, as you can see, I've grown these from seed, but they're really rather poor. They should be further on than this, but I'm going to persevere with them. But we shall see. And we go over to here. A few things going on. We have some peppers. Some little peppers forming there. I'm not going to say I grew these from seed, I didn't. I was given these plants by a friend. But so they have grown significantly, but they're looking quite good. Here as well we have some coriander. I was given this as well. That's looking good. Now over here have some sort of different kalalu. This is Jamaican spinach. It's very, very nice. I certainly recommend that. We have cucamelons here. Here we have some goji berries, goji berry bushes, which are being grown from seed. Tomatillos and black tomatoes. So these have been grown from seed. Tomatoes are looking a lot better, growing well. They seem to be liking it here. Still rather cold though. It's only about 10 degrees today. Certainly hope that it's going to warm up. Here we go, over to the tropical section. Honeydew melons have not yet germinated, but we'll continue persevering and see how we do. And here, the yard-long beans are looking great. They're probably going to go in one of the beds eventually, so we shall see. And here, Black Panther watermelons, look at them. Really nice size now. And these are my Asian squashes. Bitter melon and long melons. So I'm very happy with those. And here, outside in the rain, the small vegetable garden is coming on lovely. Ooh, thunderstorm. Look at that, some lovely pak choy there. Lettuce, radishes, carrots, perpetual spinach, beetroot, more lettuces, onions, and over here, this was a grapevine cutting I took last year. Look at that, muscat block, beautiful. And we have the dwarf beans here, variety Blue Lake, and Norma runner beans. Most of them are looking good. Here, an assortment of brassicas. They're going to be going in the ground soon, probably at the allotment. Here we have, what do we have here? Swiss chard, yep, Swiss chard, so that's lovely. So as you can see, everything's coming on well. Just, oh, here we go, look, I haven't showed you this before. These are leeks. Okay, over and out, speak to you next time.